Your subconscious mind holds a powerful influence on your thoughts, actions, behavior, and decisions. Primarily, the subconscious mind serves as the part that regulates the body's actions, which do not require thinking, such as breathing, your heartbeat, and your body temperature. Your subconscious mind is also the host to some of your unique and most powerful memories. Harnessing the power of your subconscious requires you to reprogram your mind. While most efforts focus on reprogramming your mind when you are asleep, communicating with it while awake offers even more benefits. Being able to reach your subconscious mind while awake allows you to have more hours to reprogram it. You also get to reap the benefits when you need them the most. For effective programming, you need to observe certain rules that guide you to framing your objectives and preventing any obstructions. When retraining your mind, observe the following. 1. Know what you want. It is important to know what you want to improve, change, or achieve from your subconscious. The goal has to be specific. Focusing on different things only serves to confuse your subconscious. Prioritize your goals and have those that align to your main intention occupy the focus of your retraining. Create both short-term and long-term goals to achieve the momentum needed and to have a big goal you aim towards. Craft your master plan based on your motivations and core values for sustainability. 2. Do not absorb unnecessary things. Your subconscious mind is easily suggestible, and it picks and stores all manner of things for the long term. Having these needless things from memories to ideas hinders you from having the right programming being the dominant thought in your life. You can avoid and replace the needless events by filling your dead airtime with affirmation and motivation or useful knowledge. 3. Eliminate negative influences in your life. Besides unnecessary things, your environment could be full of the wrong suggestions, whether from the TV programs you watch, social media, friends and family, or workplace. They could be distractions, either increasing the doubts in yourself or being sources of needless events and ideas. 4. Find the subconscious patterns blocking you from getting your goals. To make progress in retraining your subconscious, you must identify sources of any resistance in achieving your goals. These could be beliefs entrenched in your subconscious, which conflicting with your goal. For example, your efforts to create wealth may be unfruitful because, in your mind, you believe in pursuing and attaining the wealth, you will lose everything else, or it would affect your family. You may also have behavioral patterns stemming from the subconscious like procrastination and lacking perseverance, which is holding you back. Identifying and addressing the resistance hindering you allows your retraining to progress and be successful. 5. Apply the methods just before you sleep. While subconscious reprogramming techniques can be applied at any time, they work best when the subconscious brain is easily receptive to suggestions. There is a 15-minute window just before one sleeps when the body relaxes and calms down. During this window, the brain waves slow down, and the subconscious mind is open to receive messages. Thus, messages sent during this time will have a higher impact. Use autosuggestion to consciously impress the new suggestions in your mind. Autosuggestion only happens through the dominant thoughts in your conscious mind, which then filters to the subconscious. Here are 5 ways you can reach your subconscious mind while awake. Act as if is a manifestation technique that requires you to live your current life as if it were the life you wanted to lead. It seeks to bring to fruition outside circumstances by living as if those circumstances were already existing. Acting as if helps program your subconscious mind because your actions can also influence your emotions and feelings and help create a new reality in your subconscious, which then works to help you achieve the desired state you want. It communicates to your subconscious your intentions and creates a new reality, helping you give life to your desires. Affirmations and subliminal affirmations. Affirmations are positive mantras that you say to yourself regularly. They serve the purpose of feeding your subconscious mind with positivity and messages on things you want to achieve. Affirmations create a belief in yourself and help your subconscious overcome any fears and inhibitions which could be hindering your progress. Create affirmations you most identify with and which you can connect with emotionally. Affirmations are literally pep talks that you give yourself, convincing your subconscious mind. You convince it that you can be or deserve to have all the happiness and success you are pursuing. Brain entrainment. Brain entrainment makes use of binaural beats and isochronic tones to stimulate the brain. They synchronize specific brainwaves to the beat, helping create the desired mood. Brain entrainment is used to access the subconscious mind by stimulating the right waves, making the subconscious mind receptive to messages and suggestions you send it. You can also use them to improve your cognitive ability and memories, and attain deeper sleep, allowing for the messages to your subconscious mind have a deeper impact. Hypnosis. Hypnosis is a technique used to solve different psychological and physiological challenges by placing suggestions in the subconscious mind. Usually, a professional is the one who hypnotizes you, but with practice, you can also conduct self-hypnosis. The process is similar, only that you will be the one providing the suggestions to your brain. It is a powerful technique since it allows you to create lasting impressions on the brain and even trace the negative obstacles inside your brain that prevent you from achieving success. Music is a powerful way to communicate with your subconscious mind. Soothing music can help your mind get into the alpha state where you are more alert and receptive. Identify the kind of music that serves you the best one with the kind of lyrics reflecting your intentions, and the message is imprinted in your mind. Such music is an effective way to fill in the time when your mind is easily distracted by negative thoughts. The importance of repetition. Being able to reprogram your mind and maintain a lasting impact is not an overnight result. The changes are gradual, and in the beginning they may seem little. However, through repetition, you master the techniques described here and allow the benefits to the compound. Think of these techniques as a mental exercise in a similar manner to hitting the gym. If you lax out, the benefits recede. Persistent reinforcement. Persistent reinforcement is also vital to creating positive patterns in your subconscious, which boost your growth in the areas you desire. It encourages positivity and acts towards creating a new self-image of yourself, reassuring you and encouraging. Reinforcements help you trust in your affirmations. Surround yourself with consistent reinforcement, including inspirational notes and motivational sessions, while avoiding people and messages that affect your perception of your growth and worth. The small wins. Using small wins, also known as the progress bar technique, is crucial in helping your subconscious mind overcome resistance to the new path you have chosen. It allows you to build momentum and set a pace you can follow, since the progress is there, even if it is minimal. Learning to appreciate and celebrate the small wins ensures you do not become intimidated by the larger goal, and you overcome your fears. While you are likely to face bumps along your path, the progress made convinces the subconscious mind that you can overcome any challenge. The experiences and emotions attached to celebrating progress are also powerful tools in reprogramming your brain. Receiving communication from your subconscious mind. Communication between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind is two-way. While you feed the subconscious mind with goals, desires, and tasks, it provides back ideas, information, and new opportunities. As we have seen, we have many tools to send messages to our subconscious and impress our intentions on it. Another, but equal, part of the manifestation process is to receive messages from our subconscious mind. It's a vital part, but it is often overlooked. It is very difficult to receive messages from your subconscious, while your conscious mind is very noisy and busy. it is very difficult to receive messages by bypassing the internal dialogue with your conscious mind. The most efficient way to do this is through meditation. Meditation allows you to listen to the subconscious mind. The type of meditation we need for this purpose is simply to clear the conscious mind of all conscious thoughts. The easiest way to do this is to focus on your breathing. If you do it long enough, your conscious thoughts will fade away, and you will be in the state of receiving, here and now. 15-20 minutes of meditation each day is ideal. However, it can be a challenge for someone just starting out. You can start with 2 minutes and gradually increase the periods of silence to 15-20 minutes. How to get to know if your reprogramming efforts are working well. The whole essence of reprogramming well, your subconscious mind is to be able to attain your life goals and desires. You also want to be in a position where you can overcome any mental resistance and behavioral hindrances to your success. When your efforts are working, you will notice the following. You have more confidence in yourself and a generally optimistic outlook. Your emotions and actions are in tandem, feeding off each other and in line with your goals. You can overcome your doubts and do actions you previously struggled with. Your thinking and ideas have new clarity. You can identify and take advantage of new opportunities. You have less anxiety and panic attacks. I hope this video educated you the most important lessons for your life. Practice it and be sure to leave a comment about how this was useful to you. Your experience will be a source of inspiration for others. Be sure to subscribe this channel for more Law of Attraction insights.